Hello. I'm Ber, who is studying game development with you guys. In this video, we will learn the basics of how to use the Unity Editor Scene View. If you are unfamiliar with Unity View and Scene View, please refer to the Unity screen configuration video. Now create a Unity project to learn how to control in the Scene View. You will see an empty scene in the first project you create. Let's create a cube so we can figure out where it is. Now, let's learn how to control the scene view one by one. The first thing to look at is the scene gizmo. The scene gizmo is displayed in the upper right corner of the scene view and indicates the direction the scene view camera is currently looking. By clicking on each axis of the scene gizmo, you can make the scene view's camera look at the scene along that axis. And below the scene gizmo are the letters persp, which is short for perspective, which means that the camera in the current scene view is in perspective mode. Clicking on this will switch the scene view's camera to orthographic mode so you can see it in perspective and distort. Next is how to move around the scene. The most basic method is to use the arrow keys on the keyboard. This way you can move forward, backward, left and right. Of course, you can also move diagonally by pressing the arrow keys at the same time. You can also move faster by holding the shift key together. The following method shows how to control the mouse using the hand tool. Press the shortcut Q or click the hand tool button in the upper left corner of the editor. With the hand tool active, left click and drag in the scene view to move up, down, left, and right based on the screen you are currently looking at. And if you left click and drag while holding down the Alt key, it will rotate along the orbit around the point you are looking at. Similarly, holding down the Alt key while right-clicking and dragging zooms in out. Of course, you can also zoom by rotating the mouse scroll. On a Mac, you can zoom by holding down the Control key and left-clicking and dragging. Hand tool controls, like arrow controls, move, rotate, and zoom faster by holding down the Shift key. The next operation I will introduce is the fly-through mode. Fly-through mode is a way to fly around and navigate a scene with first-person game-like action. Right-clicking the mouse in the scene view and pressing the WASD key on the keyboard like an FPS game can move it forward, backward, left and right, and turning the mouse changes the viewing direction. And you can move up and down with the QE key. In this video, we learned the basics of how to use the scene view. This video was produced with the donate and watching of the viewers. It was Ver's Game Development YouTube. Thank you.